Hello, you lovely people. This is me, Chef Varun, and welcome to Nutrela Healthy Plate with Varun. With winters around the corner, every Indian home literally has a recipe made using fenugreek in some form or another. This recipe that I show you today is a recipe from my mother's diary that she made several years back. The name? Sprouted Fenugreek Salad with Nutrela Soya. Let's begin. This is an absolutely simple and delicious recipe and is the most perfect blends of protein fiber diets. For your daily protein consumption, I'm using Nutrela Soya Mini Chunks. It is very easy to use. You can simply boil them, let them heat for a few minutes, and then turn off the heat. Squeeze out the excess water and they're ready to use. With this, let's move on to the next step, and that is making the dressing for the salad. Very simple. Let's begin with ginger juice. Just a couple of spoons depending on the taste and heat you like to take. Let's add in honey. Half a lemon, freshly squeezed. Of course, you need to collect the seeds because you do not want untoward flavors in your mouth. Let's add in some salt as required. And finally, freshly cracked black peppercorns. Let's whisk all of this together. With this, our ginger honey dressing is done and ready. Let's keep this aside and move on to tossing the salad. Let's begin our salad with some carrots, green chilies for flavor. Well, there's no spice in these chilies literally. With this, soaked Nutrela Soya Mini Chunks. Nutrela Soya has 52% protein and has no added chemicals. It also plays a very important role in improving our digestive health. The next ingredient, sprouted fenugreek. Well, fenugreek is wonderful when it comes to fibers, vitamins, minerals, and amazing for gut health and immunity. Now, sprouting is a very easy process. What you need to do is you need to wash the fenugreek seeds at least 3 days prior to you planning to make the salad. You wash it nicely, soak it at least overnight in warm water, and next day you literally drain the water out and transfer it into a muslin cloth and keep it either on a colander or hang it somewhere in a warm place. It sprouts, it takes around 3 days to literally sprout, and there you have the most amazing fenugreek which is sprouted and ready to use in salads or eat just like that. Time to add in the dressing, which has deliberately been made sweet, of course using honey, because that will counterbalance the taste of the fenugreek seeds. Finally, let's toss all of this together. Fenugreek is enriched in fibers, vitamins, and minerals which help in boosting immunity. They are one of the richest sources of vitamin K, and it is rich in antioxidants. Let's line the border of our plate or serving bowl with sliced English cucumber, and then place the salad in the center of the bowl. With this, ladies and gentlemen, your sprouted fenugreek salad with the magic of Nutrela Soya is done and ready. It's extremely quick, simple, easy, and with a burst of flavor. And did I mention? Extremely nutritious. Make this for your family, make this for your friends, and thank me later. This is me, Varun, signing off. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to get Curried and for a nutritious way of life. Do not also forget to follow the handle, my Nutrela. Bye for now.